How to use garlic for dandruff control. Garlic is a powerful natural antifungal. It helps in inhibiting growth of the Malassezia yeasts on the scalp that are responsible for dandruff breakouts. Hence, it is considered an effective remedy for dandruff. In addition to controlling dandruff breakouts, garlic also helps in reducing hair fall. By stimulating the hair follicles, the sulfur compounds in garlic help in promoting hair growth. The anti-inflammatory property of garlic helps in treating inflammation of the hair follicles that usually occurs when dandruff irritates the scalp. In this video, I will tell you how to use garlic for dandruff control. Use garlic and honey. Crush 6 to 8 garlic cloves and keep the crushed garlic cloves aside for 10 to 15 minutes to activate the sulfur compounds present in garlic. Put the crushed garlic cloves in a blender and add a tablespoon of honey. Blend until you get a smooth paste. Apply the garlic and honey paste to your scalp. Gently massage your scalp with your fingertips for 1 to 2 minutes to ease absorption. Leave the paste on your scalp for 15 to 20 minutes. Then thoroughly rinse your scalp and hair and wash with a mild shampoo. Use garlic and lemon juice. Combining lemon juice with the garlic paste helps in reducing the pungent garlic smell. Moreover, lemon helps in reducing the greasiness of the scalp and restores the natural pH of the scalp that prevents fungal growth. Crush the garlic cloves and extract the juice. Combine 1 teaspoon of garlic juice with a tablespoon of lemon juice. Apply the juice blend to your scalp. Wait for 15 to 20 minutes and then rinse your scalp and hair. Use garlic and chamomile to treat dandruff. You can combine garlic with chamomile tea. The anti-inflammatory property of chamomile helps in soothing the irritated scalp, which helps in reducing the excessive shedding of the dead skin. Brew chamomile tea by steeping 3 tablespoons of dried chamomile in a cup of hot water for 10 to 15 minutes. Take 3 tablespoons of chamomile tea and mix it with a tablespoon of garlic juice. Apply the mixture to your scalp. If desired, make a hair mask by mixing a tablespoon of honey, a tablespoon of aloe gel and a beaten egg with the garlic and chamomile mixture. Use garlic and aloe vera gel. The antifungal effect of aloe vera gel helps in fighting dandruff. Furthermore, by moisturizing the scalp, it helps in reducing flaking of the scalp skin. For fast relief from dandruff, combine aloe vera gel with garlic. Mash 2 garlic cloves and blend with 4 to 5 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Apply the mixture to your scalp. Wait for 30 minutes and then wash off the mixture. Use garlic infused oil. Garlic infused oil helps in treating dry dandruff. The oil helps in reducing the scalp flaking while garlic helps in inhibiting yeast growth. For best result, use an oil with antifungal properties such as coconut oil or olive oil for the treatment. Mash 7 to 8 garlic cloves and boil them in a cup of coconut oil or olive oil for 5 to 10 minutes. Massage your scalp with the garlic infused oil.